Hello everyone, I'm back with the strip eyelashes. I have full makeup on. If you haven't seen any of the previous videos, you can find me on YouTube, Blue Botodorova Makeup, or just enjoy this video. Again, it's about how to apply strip eyelashes. I have just a regular strip eyelash and a glue that it's black by Duo. It's the most famous glue, easy to find on the market. So this is what I'm basically doing, putting a very light amount of that glue on the lash strip. You can put it on a little tool and then apply it. So it's very important to let it dry halfway, otherwise it might seep in to your eye. So when it gets a little more tacky, gluey, it's better to apply it in. What I didn't show you is that your lashes should fit your eye. So while this one is drying, I'll show you really quick with this one. You can just kind of like put it on the eyelash line and see if it's like sticking out too much. You can cut a tiny little piece with a little scissor on the end just to match it. So this one needs a tiny little bit more on the corner. For some reason I didn't see it so little. Okay, doesn't need a lot. I hope you can see this nicely. Again, it dries black. So when you have a mirror, you can, if it's a hand mirror, you can lay it on the surface and kind of look up, from up, look down, and then apply your lashes. Your eyes are more relaxed. Or what I like to do is just kind of like keep the chin up, so the eye, it's less open, just a slit open, and just approach it with the lashes from the top. You can hold it with two hands. There are also tools for that. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. And kind of try to apply it on the center first. See that it matches the lash line, and kind of, even if you blink a little bit, it's totally fine. Press it into the lash line and adjust the ends a little bit. You can wiggle it like that. Here we go. Because the glue was half dry, was very easy. I want to lift it a little bit, or use one of those brushes also to adjust. This happens to have like more density in the middle, so I should have brushed that out. Because what you can do to make your lashes fluffy, you can just brush them nicely with a brush prior. I'll adjust it a little bit more, so one of those tools comes handy in this case. A curler can also fix that. One of those mini curlers. Yep, now it fits perfectly. You can even like push it up once when it's dry. You want them to go nicely up. So that's a pretty eyelash. And let's do the other side. So again, if you need to cut a little bit, you can do that. Measure the lashes prior application. Putting a little bit of my glue. If it's too much, you can always absorb it with a Q-tip, or just spread it. Let it dry halfway. And with this tool, you can also go in and kind of press it towards your lashes. I had a little mascara on, but you can also add mascara afterwards. So let's pretend that this one has mascara on, and just kind of like blend your lashes with the fake lashes. This is pretty, no? So I'll try to do it with a tool on this side on my mirror here. So see, this one has a little curve, So I can do the lashes this way. And again, if your eye is a little bit open, even if you blink lightly, it's okay. If your hand is shaking, just hold it with the other hand and try to center it first a little bit so that the rim really matches the lash line. And then press the rest. Always go a little bit from above. And if you want to lift the outside, that's totally fine. You can really apply it like a little high on the end just to lift up the eye this way. I achieve that look with a little bit of eyeshadow and eyeliner. Press it a little bit, and again, because the glue it's halfway dry, it's just very, very easy and quick. It's easy with fingers to get in there and kind of press it, or again, use the tool. Press it together. And then it's very nice to, yeah, this lash happens to be better quality than my left eye. It's okay, you can always check that prior. It's very pretty. Now we can add a little more mascara. It feels more comfortable, and definitely on the bottom lashes as well. So I hope that really teaches you something again, and I'll keep answering some questions and showing you some more tips. Thank you for watching.